How to change your Spotify country or Spotify region, in which region you're operating your Spotify. So let me just tell you that there is no direct option to change your region, your country, or your place where you created the account on the Spotify application. But you can do a alternative method that will be simply turning on a VPS, downloading a VPS to your device, turn on the VPS, and you can connect to the server of the location you want to change. Like if you want to set the country location of your Spotify as United States, then you can simply download a VPN, connect the VPN source to United States IP address, and then you can use the Spotify application to get search results like that. Now, how you can simply turn on the VPN. So for that, I'm going to show you open the Play Store application here on your device. Click on search. Then on the search bar, you have to search for VPN. You can download any of the VPN from this menu. This is the video. Thank you so much for watching it, and please subscribe to the channel.